Hi everybody, it's 1:16 and 6 seconds on June 8th. This is mini number 2 for the Batman 232 6.5 slab. Over here on the left hand side are the 14 filled spots. First place is going to win. Pardon me, I'm just trying to make sure I read off the right numbers. Whoever comes in first place is going to win the first 4 available spots in the main. Those spots are 10, 12, 13, and 14. Whoever comes in second place in this mini number 2 will win the final 3 available spots in the main. Those spots are 16, 17, and 20. Those spots will automatically be assigned to the winners. And then I'm going to run the main. Alright, so here we go. Let's roll our 3 dice. Number is 9, and away we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here's the final one. 9. Spot 13, Tom Malice gets the first 4 spots, and Justin gets the final 3 spots. Time is 1:17 and 26 seconds.